Maintenance nightmares. These are the things which will always be there and giving nightmares to the maintainers. First is the use of gotos. This is a simple code. You see it is written in BASIC. One more code, it is C. So you have a goto. Now previously when it came goto, everyone was thrilled. Oh my God, what a looping construct. Oh, this has solved a lot of problem. But it has created a lot of problem. This is a goto. It just shifts the program control to anywhere. Even a big aircraft succumbed to this problem and many people died. That is why in MISRA standard, they say no goto at all. Then the procedures. We are thrilled to write a long code. Oh, I written this much of code, but they are lengthy procedure. What about modularization? What about the cohesion? So procedure should be small, should be maintainable, should be testable. Poor and inconsistent naming. Now you just write name like you make your emails earlier. My cracking, Insta, story, like this. This is the name of your variable. We have seen the kind of names. Function is of add. Now you are writing your, say, your FB, peak. These kind of name are used normally. So poor and inconsistent naming is one of the nightmare. Poor module structure. Module structure and even the interdependence network of the modules. These are the key problem in designing. So weak cohesion and high coupling. See, when you are making modules, and see here you have different modules and they have a weak cohesion. They are not doing a single work. They are actually taking work from different module, giving them, taking them. So there is high coupling also. But here, a good modularization, good program structure or module structure means a module should do what it was intended to do, single work. That is, we need high cohesion. High cohesion we want. Normally we find weak cohesion. When multiple modules are interacting with each other, we need low or least possible interaction. That is called the low coupling, but we find high coupling. Deeply nested conditional loops. We have a lot of conditional statement, if, else, for, while, do while. Goto is almost finished now. So these are there. So when we program, we tend to put all our logic, mind, brain in making this kind of structure. What will happen? The mind will fall like this, the person is falling here. Functions having side effects. We create functions which are meant for good, made for good, but they are actually creating side effects. They are actually creating trouble in other codes, other functions.